Welcome to our installation guide. Today, we'll demonstrate the fast and secure installation of our Magnelis ProMount long rail system on a trapezoidal metal roof. It has up to 2-meter long span capability, maximizes its efficiency and reduces roof penetrations. The first critical step is mounting the C45 base. First, position the base precisely on the crest of the metal roof profile. Place the EPDM rubber gasket beneath the base, then secure it firmly with self-drilling screws, SDS. This step is vital for leakage prevention. Repeat this action sequence for all remaining C45 bases. Now, slide the Magnelis C45 rail onto the installed base. Fix the rail in place using an M8 by 65 mm Allen bolt, nut, and washer. Secure the rail to the base as shown. Repeat this process for every C45 base along the run. To ensure the rail remains intact and locked onto the base, attach the C45 latch. Fix it to the base using an M8 by 16 mm Allen bolt and washer. This latch provides an extra layer of structural integrity. To join two C45 rails, slide the C45 rail joiner into the end of the first rail. Slide the second rail onto the joiner. Intact the two rails with the joiner using an M8 by 65 mm Allen bolt, nut, and washer. Finally, fix the joiner to the rail using an 2 SDS for maximum rigidity. Once the first side is secured, repeat the exact procedure using 2 more self-drilling screws on the opposite side of the rail to fully engage the supports and secure the component firmly in place. Prepare your module clamp sets. These are must-be pre-assembled on-site before module installation with a strut rail nut, which has a hex nut inside the groove, and the respective end clamp or mid clamps with M8 Allen bolts and washer. Take the complete pre-assembled clamp set and carefully slide the entire assembly into the C45 rail groove. Ensure the strut rail nut engages correctly with the internal profile of the rail. Once inserted, gently slide the solar modules into position as per your layout. Important module installation tip: ensure a minimum 10 mm gap between module frames to allow for thermal expansion. Always check the clamp zone marked by the module manufacturer to avoid placing clamps outside the specified area. With the modules in place, secure them firmly. Tighten the Allen bolts and washers on all end clamps and mid clamps. Properly tightening every clamp is crucial for the system's structural integrity. This action achieves a firm and secure hold on the module, ensuring it resists dynamic forces such as high wind loads and heavy snow loads throughout its operational life. Sunrack Technologies. Anchor your investment safely.